It's a 5-hour drive, babe?
30 stops, yeah.
So we're pretty hungry. We had a very quick breakfast before we left. Now we're ready for some real food.
Thank you very much. It's a bison steak with veggies.
They only had 2 left, and he took one of those, and I ordered...
It's only 2 p.m.
Yeah, so that means it must be really good. And I ordered the Thai lunch. It's chicken and rice in like a sweet and spicy
You
sauce.
need to try that.
They look so good, your potatoes.
Yeah.
He told me to try them, so they must be really good. Let's do a little video of the room that we're staying in. This little gift bag for Hugo on our way in, which is super cute. He's busy exploring every corner of his room. The hotel got you a treat. You want a treat? You gonna eat it? Okay, maybe later. Our last activity for the day is the movie mill. So it's a drive-in theater. Tonight they're playing E.T., which I have seen, but Serge hasn't seen. I keep telling him how it's a classic, and yes, it's an older film, but it is so good. And look at this massive popcorn bag. Like, it is ginormous. So I don't think...
Look at
oh yeah,
face.
and the 3 of us are gonna watch the movie. We're front row. That's the screen there. It starts in about 20 minutes. So pretty excited. There's a lot of people pulling up to watch E.T. tonight. See, I ordered the strawberry Bellini. It's really good. It tastes like real strawberry in there. It's not too strong. Very nice drink. Pretty good sleep. It's almost 10 in the morning. We're gonna go to a cafe that was recommended to us because they have the best waffles. So pretty excited about our breakfast this morning, and then we have a full day ahead of us. Amazing, honestly. best waffles I've ever had. I am not really a big waffle person. Those were so good. So mine was cheesecake with strawberries. And
I had Nutella and fruit, so it was like strawberries, bananas, and but everything is fresh. Everything's from around Lethbridge, so it makes a huge difference in the taste. Same thing with like coffee. They use milk from the farms here, and it's delicious.
Yeah, I had a London Fog, and they make their own syrup, their own oat milk, which I did try. It was fantastic, honestly. The food was amazing. We will definitely come back to this place to eat and have breakfast. This place is called Evergreen. They have golf, but what we're going to do is mini golf. And the bets are on who's gonna win. And Serge thinks he's gonna win, but I think he's wrong.
What are you getting? A 7?
It's gonna be a 2, obviously.
It's gonna be a 7.
It's gonna be a perfect
Yeah.
score. Did you see that? That was so close.
It's 3. That's
that's
4.
4.
So we're tied. 4 on a par 2.
And the hardest one, you have to get it in one of these, either this one or this one, and then it goes all the way down, so it's multi-levels. Did you get it? 5. No way! It went in? It took about an hour, and now we're heading to our next location, but this was a great activity to come for a date for a couple or families. There was girlfriends. It's just kind of a fun thing to do for everybody. So this stop is called Broxburn Farm and Cafe. You can come and pick your own fruit and vegetables, and it's all grown here on this farm. We also learned that a lot of the local restaurants and people actually come and buy the fruit and vegetables here, and it's all local, which is so nice. We definitely tasted a difference in the food, and we didn't know what it was, but now we know that that's why it tastes so good.
And dairy too is from this farm as well.
Yeah, so we're excited to come and check it out and also pick our own fruit. I've actually never picked my own fruit before. We came in and we bought some veggies. Now we got our little basket. You can also bring your own container, and we are off to the strawberry patch to pick our own strawberries. I don't perfect photo spot. There's like nobody up here, and you get unobstructed views of the bridge with all these really pretty flowers. This is awesome. Definitely a place to come and stop by. For those of you that don't know, Lethbridge has 4 different UNESCO sites that you can visit on a day trip. And today we're going to check out a park called Writing on Stone. We've seen just pictures of it. It looks absolutely beautiful. And that's one of the sites that you can go to. This one in particular, it's an hour and 20 minutes from Lethbridge.
Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie. Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions.